How to remove YouTube Shorts permanently. Firstly, open your YouTube. Okay, so like you can see, I have these random YouTube Shorts on here. So simply to remove the YouTube Short permanently from here, you'll have to come on the section Shorts. So from here, you'll have to click on this three dot just at the top right corner of that short. So simply click on it. Okay, so from here you'll have to choose on the not interested option. Okay, so the video has been removed. So likewise, similarly on these four videos, you'll have to do same. So simply click on it, not interested. Similarly on another. Okay. Okay, so after you remove all of these YouTube shorts from here, you'll have to refresh it from here. Okay, so now you can see here the YouTube would not recommend to watch the YouTube search again. So likewise, you can also disable the YouTube search permanently from YouTube. So if this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.